amazing. We've stayed at this little lodge out here in the edge of the jungle. There's been some monkeys and birds and all sorts in the trees. But unfortunately, I've got to be somewhere. Otherwise, I'd stay another day or two. It's been fantastic, except for humidity, dropping down from 11,500, 12,000 feet to I think we're at about 1,500. Humidity's grown, but it was great to go out on the little ferry across the river yesterday into town, get some groceries. Oh, I sound like an American. Groceries, get some supplies, made our own food, had an amazing breakfast this morning. But this morning we're going to head to Banos or something like that. And apparently the road we're going to take, there's multiple waterfalls. So yeah, kind of excited about that. And then from there, it's head back to Quito for the Horizons Unlimited meeting. Looks like we're going to get out before the rain. Kind of a shame in some ways that we got here a day later than we did. Okay, so we are going to head towards Tiana, Puerto Napo, and across to Piro, and then to Banos. And it's going to be all paved today. Decided because we're pushed on time that we're going to just do a load of road miles, and also the weather, hoping to beat the weather. Oh, the weather. That seems to have been the story of South America. Well, Central America into South America, for me, it's the weather. Now, I wasn't expecting that. Bit of a wobbly suspension bridge. We go across this this mighty cavern. Waterfall behind me is pretty spectacular. Wow! Look down there. Come to this waterfall. I see it on the internet. Set of stairs, cascading all the way down. A couple of suspension bridges, and you can walk behind the waterfall. Now, I've just seen a load of people down there and they're getting wet, so it looks like it's waterproof jacket, a bench spec. It's going to do me proud again. Right turn. I tell you what, motocross boots on wet, slippery steps behind giant waterfalls. That's not the best. Oh, that's impressive. You got Daredevil Laguna here. He's about to jump into the waterfall. Have a look at this. Horizons Unlimited meeting in Ecuador. Bizarre. Literally 11 months ago, I was at the Horizons Unlimited meeting in Canada. So I've done 2 HU meetings on 2 different continents. But at this one, I'm actually talking rather than listening to people. And I'm frantically trying to put my talk together. Don't want to bore people. Could talk about myself for hours, but yeah, I've still got to keep people's attention. So yeah, Ecuador HU meeting.
Es importante tener una moto equilibrada.
Most of Portugal, ending in Galicia in Spain. And
you have already heard is actually the world isn't as bad as you think it is. People aren't bad. Maybe 1%.
23rd of June. This time last year, my birthday again, I was riding across Oklahoma alone. Today I'm on my way up to Laguna, an old volcano, about think it's about 19,000 feet, about 3,500, 4,000 metres, something like that. I'd have to check. So yeah, lunch beside the road, a couple of bananas, a couple of bread rolls, that's it. But I did celebrate in Quito with some other travellers, Diego from Race Tech. Everyone helped me celebrate my birthday, unlike the last few I've had. So, I've been trying to use my damn GPS. I'm not going to go too much into it. I've got no faith in this thing. This thing's doing its own thing. This keeps shutting down. This won't load the GPX files. So I'm kind of winging it. But finally I've got to, I think, is the dirt roads that lead to the top of this volcano. So yes, back to it. My birthday. This is my birthday journey, so to speak. And now I've got sand. Small boys. So yeah, on our way up to Kilauea, and I'm hoping that tomorrow when I wake up that the clouds will be clear and I can actually see the Laguna. arrived yesterday here in Laguna Quilatoa, I think it's pronounced, where I bumped into Ali, who originally I bumped into Colombia, who I celebrated my birthday with a couple of days ago. And then there was Hada and Assis, who again I met originally way up in Montana, again Panama, Colombia, across the border with them about a month ago. They were here as well, so we had dinner. Hada and Assis have headed off, and Ali and I are going to ride down together. It seems we're all actually going to the same town. Myself and Ali haven't got any accommodation yet, so we're going to wing it. I think we're going to get a view of the volcano. Well, if the weather's good. It's snow-capped, and it is the highest point, if I'm correctly, to space. It's cold. I've lent Ali my spare gloves because all she's got, bless her, is a set of fingerless gloves, and we're going to head back down the volcano and on to the next one. I think Ecuador has the biggest belt of biggest belt of volcanoes in the world. I love this way that people still live very simply, like this woman here with her 2 horses. It's nice to see.